pictures though.
Go ahead, Niqua. What are you thinking of right now?
Right now, I am thinking that I should stop looking at all that because I'm on a diet. So I'm gonna get a small ice cream. It's not up there, but I'm gonna point like it is. It's called Cookie Don't You Wanna, some shit like that.
Cookie Don't You Wanna. She cheesing.
I know, it's a video. You gotta be like me, I was posing. That's her computer pose.
Get out of here.
That shit got mad hard.
Uh-oh. Ooh, what you got? What's that right there? It's Saturday.
It's Saturday day. It's Saturday day. The day for Saturday stuff.
Yep.
Like movies and Cold Stone Creamery with Pussy Galore. I claustrophobic.
Yeah, me too.
I just kept looking at my house and I was like, Pussy Galore.